This is Katherine Gage, KGbeautywithin, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant. And tonight I am doing a gig on a vanity table that I'm actually going to create out of my table that I got. It's a folding table. And I really want to spend a lot of money on purchasing a new vanity table. So I've decided that I'm going to just do a gig now. I'm no expert on this, so this is just my spin on something that I'm going to try to make as cute as possible. Come on and wave your hand. Don't hurt myself. Just to praise the Lord. I wasn't planning on doing this. This was skipping. When I get an idea sometimes, I just have to run it. And that's basically one of my workstation I have this at my like I say, there's a lot of boots on YouTube and a lot of them need buildings. And IKEA furniture ones are real popular. Thank you. That's my hubby baby. I have to be careful with this glue because it's hot. And my friend Julia got me started on this glue when we was making flowers for my daughter's wedding. And I burnt myself to pieces because that was my first time ever using glue. I burnt myself. So, Julia, if you're watching this, I'm still burning myself. Still burning myself. Doing great things for me. It's tough. Doing great things for me. He keeps right on. Doing great things for me. see what touches I do. Like I said, this is just my little project. Recording with my new Sony DS5000 camera that my hubby Gage got me. Actually, this is the second camera he got me. He got me a Canon XX20, which is the first Canon that Canon came out with. And it doesn't put a roll, but it does. It's not good enough. I put a roll, and so I really been wanting a Canon D7. But this one is such a steal. They didn't have any Canon D7, but this one is such a steal that I had to grab it. We actually got this for this camera for less than $200. Maybe about less than $300. But it was showing that it was $400, but when they rounded it up, they only rounded up for like $199. It's like, yes! Hi, this is Katherine Gage, KGbeautywithin, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant, and tonight I have created a dupe of a vanity table that I'm going to be using for my beauty room. And what I did was I have one of the folding tables that I normally use for my makeup, and I decided that I didn't want to really go and purchase a table from IKea and try to build drawers because I am not that person. So what I've done is I went to Walmart and I wanted to keep the theme of the white, like the vanity tables. But this is my own personal spin of a vanity table that I'll be using, and I really do like it, this setup. I'm revamping my office, so I haven't done everything. Is not complete yet, but I got these drawers here from Walmart, and they're just like 3 shelves, and I think you get them for like $16 a piece. And what I'm going to be doing is going to be having my makeup and different things in here. Just gonna get me a lot of these. I'm gonna get some of the Dollar Tree dupes because there are a lot of Dollar Tree dupes. But I'm gonna be getting me some of these little small containers where I can kind of just keep all my makeup, where I can just work and have my organized and everything. And I purchased the mirror there. it was I think at Walmart it was like probably, I believe, $4 or $5. I already had my my mirror that I got off of Amazon Prime, and I hung up my love because that's just something that I like, is love. I have some flowers, that actually one of my friends made ink pens out of, and I just kind of use them as flowers. And that is my sign that says the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So that is just a reminder for me to keep dreaming. I also have something that says, let me see if I can get closer to that, worry less, smile more. Just got some little accent, a little candle, and then I have just this is something I had already had from Walmart. These are little drawers that you can put different things in, and I got me some little vanity, a little vanity set, just with brushes for now. This is just, I have a lot more brushes. They just need to be clean. And I got this right here. I got this at Gerb's and I just love it. I got that on clearance after Christmas, and I think I got this for like $1.89 at Gerb's, our Gerb's. So I'm like super excited, and I have something here that's very dear to me that my Aunt Mary, this is actually the last card she sent me. She was as you all know, she passed in November, and she sent me a thank you card, and it said, "Dear Mr. and Mrs. Gage, thank you all for my birthday gifts. So nice of you. Thank you, Aunt Mary." Enclosed is a check for Mary Kay. So she was one of my supporters, one of my, just, I don't know. I just love that lady, and I miss her so much. So much, but that is very dear to me. So I'm actually going to be keeping that. I have that over here just because that is just just so beautiful that I just love. And I'm going to be doing a little bit more. I'll be doing a little bit more revamping in a little bit. But I got this little idea from off of one of the Dollar Tree dupes. I don't remember the lady's name, but it's a little bit spin table. It's actually made out of little cake pans with marbles underneath. I don't want to take that, but this is something that one of my customers got me to remind me. Say, Katherine, the Lord says He has great plans for you, to prosper you and give you a future. And she gave me a copy of The World, like the world is yours. Like God is gonna just grant good things for me. So I like to keep that because that is special. This is my niece, actually. My niece, shout out to my niece, Ronnie, who made this. She made mine. This is one of my logos that she made. KGbeautywithin, bringing the beauty from within. And I got a few products here. I'm revamping this, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with this mirror. I think I may actually put that here, but I got Max. It's a vanity mirror, and it really, at first I thought it really was pretty, but it looks really dim. But when you take pictures, oh my God, it just illuminates the pictures. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with that. I don't know yet. So I may just kind of keep it, keep it here, and then when I need something, I can move it out of the way. That might be pretty. I thought about, let me see if this will work. If I kind of, because this light, this is not a vanity light, so to have a little bit more light, that'll be cute, be nice. But of course I have my ring light as well, so maybe that's actually cute. And then I can kind of have that to the side, maybe. Let me figure that out. Let me see. I'm thinking I can kind of have both of them. Have them both. I'll have this one over just a tad bit. Just have. That doesn't look too bad. Not sure. Y'all let me know what you like best. If you like it with the, I kind of like that white mirror, but I want to use this vanity mirror as well. So maybe I can just have that there and have this one to the side, maybe. That looks cute. Yeah, that's cute. But anyway, this is what I have so far. And I'm real happy with it. I'm just really happy. My OCD is gonna kick in. Let me get that centered. Yeah, that's cute. Anyway, I wonder if I could take a picture and video at the same time. I don't know if I did or not. But anyway, that's what I got so far. And I'm not going to let you see the rest of this office because, oh my God. But we're going to do it one little bit at a time. But I'm happy with that. It's pretty. And I have on my wall here, I love this. This is just a picture of all of our African American nationals. Now this is not all of them, this is an older picture, but it's just something to keep me dreaming, to let me know not to give up. And that's my Imovie key and some of my bracelets that I won that said be beautiful, be beautiful. And I have a mirror there, and I got my Mary Kay there, and of course I got my KGbeautywithin right there. But that's my little thing, but that's what I have so far. And I'm not going to do a scan around this room because but I like it. It'd be cute to take pictures, look professional, but I can't wait to get my makeup in here and do some looks. But anyway, that's what I got so far. Alright, y'all, remember, God first, family second, career third. Put all three of those things in perspective and everything do fall in place. And the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. That is so true, so keep dreaming. Have a blessed night. Bye-bye.